writing. And basically, okay, let me just show you how you hold the can. You know, a lot of people just hold it like this, and goes like, you know, straight. But it's not as good because you get a bigger dot. It's good. Okay, but you see, if I do it like this, you get a big dot. But if I do it like, god damn it, this is not good. You see, you can do it like this if you want. But it's that skill, and that skill takes time and practice. But you know, you can try. Come on. Let me see. Let me see. Try to hold it like this. Yeah, go. Like this. Try it, and try to go as close as possible to get the thinnest line you can. And just don't press on it too hard. Just try to be gentle.
Okay.
Let me see how you do. It's okay, it's okay. You can still do something. Okay, good. Okay. It's okay.
Oh, motherfucker.
This is actually good for a beginner. So you can be proud of yourself. Sheamus. It's Irish for James. You know, it's already better than this. Good. Yeah, sure. And try, you know, because it's a small piece of canvas. Just, you know, just try and practice, like, go home and practice, like, really.
It's also pressing, you know?
Yeah, it's, okay, let me show you something.